Hi, and welcome to another video tutorial from mjaro.com. iTech 285 client server. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you all how to make your own PC a web server. Now I'm using Windows 7, so for those of you all who are using other operating system, it may vary. So let's go. First, I'm going to navigate the control panel and to programs and features. On the left hand pane, I'm going to look for turn Windows feature on or off. I'm going to navigate to Internet Information Services and select it. Click OK. Now this process may take a few minutes for the services to activate, and it may even ask you to restart your system, but I'll restart my own later. I'm going back to Control Panel. I'm going to expand my icons and I'm going to go to Administrative Tools, and I'm going to look for Internet Information Services Manager IIS. Double click on that. And on the left hand pane, I'm going to expand Marcus PC and look for sites. Now on the sites, you'll have a default website, and this is where your websites actually are stored. But we're not going to use the default website, we're going to create our new website. So we're going to add, right click and add website. Let's give our site a name. I'll call my own mjaro, of course. Now the physical part is where you're going to store your web files. So normally what I'll advise you to do is create a folder so you can store all your internet web pages and pictures to go with it. For instance, I took the liberty and I went ahead and stored my own in one of my drives, and I named it web. Now leave everything else as is. HTTP unassigned and 80. Hostname will be localhost without any space, and click OK. Now sometimes people tend to cause error from here because they don't have the correct permissions. So what we're going to do is we created our website here, what we just named mjaro. Right click and let's edit permissions. Now what we're going to go is to the security tab and ensure that all these users here listed has the correct administrative privileges. So authenticated users are good to go, system good to go, administrators good, and users good to go. Now I'm going to go to on the right hand pane and go to explore. Now what I'm going to do, this is just a shortcut to get to the web page web folder that we just created, and of course my own was created in RAID and web. Now in my web folder, I took the liberty of going ahead and created my file. This is my picture of my mjaro logo, and this is just some of the script for my web page. Basic script. For those who are not familiar with web page scripting language, HTML code, I'll probably do a video tutorial that will assist you all in that. So now we're going to do the same thing that we did before as when we check the mjaro site to ensure that security is at the right level. So we're going to ensure that go back to security, authenticated users, full privilege, system full privilege, administrators also, and users. Once that is correct, we can return. So that's it. So now let's go and test our connection to ensure that we can see our web page. Okay, so remember what I said that our navigate and go to localhost, and here you are, my logo and my web page that I just created. So thank you again for viewing this video tutorial with mjaro.com. iTech 285 client server Costat. Goodbye.